Hello, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tapping on my video and thank you for wanting to watch me, and thank you for the love you showed to me on my last video. I love you so much. So, guys, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, in today's video I'll be showing you how I matted my hair into four. Yeah, you can do your own into as many as you want, but I wanted to wear a wig on this one. That was why I had to mat it into four. Then I decided to just make it a tutorial. Yeah, so I started by dividing my hair into two sections. After which I divided one of the sides into two. Then I started making the hair. Kindly look at the process closely so you'll be able to get what I am trying to do. I had to leave the front section because I didn't want tension on the hair, and if you can see it very well, I am not holding the hair tightly because for me I don't like tension on my scalp at all, at all, at all. So I repeated the process on the next one, and I did the same to the other side also. Just enjoy as you watch. If you've watched up to this moment, kindly like this video or leave a comment if you have an observation or a opinion. You can leave a comment for me, and if you have any other things to say also, you can leave a comment for me. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, I am so sorry. I misplaced the last clip of this video. I think I forgot to press the record button or something. I don't even know. But I misplaced the last clip. So, guys, I just noticed while I was editing that night that the last part of the video was no longer there. And I'm like, how? So I had to film this one that same night to just show you how the air turned out, and this is it. So let me just drop one motivational quote here. Whatever you set your heart to do, you can do it. If you want to make your hair by yourself, it is very possible. So just leave that one bit. Full stop. Yes, so this is it. I said I wanted to wear a wig on it. I know some people will see this wig and still be like, "Is this not your hair?" No, it's not my hair. This is a wig. I think my hair is longer than the wig or something. I don't even know, but that is a wig. So that's it. I was trying to take pictures here. So guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.